Hello everyone and welcome to the English language. Your space to listen, repeat, imitate and learn English at a slow and natural pace. I am Tom and I am glad you're here. In this episode, I speak slowly. I use simple and clear words and I repeat ideas so that you can imitate my voice. Practice your spoken expression and build your confidence step by step. Today, we are going to talk about how to describe your day in English. Not just short sentences, but complete ideas. What do you do in the morning? What happens in the afternoon? What is your evening routine like? By the end of this episode, you will be able to talk about your day in English with clear and natural sentences. Let's begin. Why is it important to practice? It is important because your day is real. It is something that happens to you every day. You know it well. You do not need to search for words or ideas. You do not need to talk about history, science, or politics. You just need to talk about your life. You can say what time you wake up. You can say what you eat for breakfast. You can say whether you go to work or stay at home. You can say how you feel, tired, busy, happy, or relaxed. And here is the best part. When you describe your own day, you practice real English, useful English, English you can use with other people in real life. You do not need to be perfect. You just need to try. When you talk about your day, you start to think in English. You start to speak more naturally. You use simple and complete sentences. You stop translating in your head, and you feel more confident when you speak. Let us take an example. Imagine you meet someone new. They ask you, "What did you do today?" If you have practiced talking about your day before, you can answer. You can say, "I woke up at 7. I went to work. I had a coffee and replied to some emails. In the evening, I made dinner and watched TV." That is a real conversation. That is real communication, and that is your goal. Even if you are alone, even if you are not in an English class, even if you are shy, you can still practice English by talking about your day. So when you do not know what to say, start with something simple. What did I do today? What time did I wake up? What did I eat? Where did I go? What did I do in the evening? These are good questions. They help you remember vocabulary. They help you build good habits in English. They help you think in complete sentences without stress. You can do this in the morning to talk about yesterday. You can do this in the evening to review today. You can even record yourself and listen back. The key is to stay simple. Use the English you know. Do not worry about mistakes. Just speak. And the more you practice, the easier it gets. 1 sentence today, 2 sentences tomorrow, a whole story next week. So today, let us build this skill together. Step by step, word by word. 1 real sentence at a time. The morning. The morning is a very important part of your day. It sets the tone. It gives you energy. And it is a perfect moment to speak and think in English. Even just a few minutes. Now, let us practice some simple morning sentences together. Repeat each one slowly. Like an imitation. Let's go. I wake up. Now. Repeat. I open my eyes. Now. Repeat. I look at the clock. Now. Repeat. It is 7 o'clock. Now. Repeat. I get out of bed. Now. Repeat. I walk to the bathroom. Now. Repeat. I brush my teeth. Now. Repeat. I wash my face. Now. Repeat. The water is cold. Now. Repeat. I feel awake now. Now. Repeat. I get dressed. Now. Repeat. I wear trousers and a shirt. Now. Repeat. I go to the kitchen. Now. Repeat. I prepare breakfast. Now. Repeat. I eat toast and fruit. Now. Repeat. I drink coffee. Now. Repeat. The coffee is hot. Now. Repeat. It is good. Now. Repeat. I feel happy. Now. Repeat. Very good. Now. Let us put some of these sentences together into a short story about a morning. You can listen first, then imitate. I will leave a space for you to repeat. My morning is simple. I wake up at 7. I get out of bed. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I get dressed. I go to the kitchen. I make coffee. I eat breakfast. Then I am ready for my day. Now, let us imitate a longer story together. I say a sentence. You repeat it. We go slowly every morning. I follow a routine. Now, repeat. First, I wake up and turn off my alarm. Now, repeat. Then, I sit on the edge of my bed for a minute. Now, repeat. After that, I get up and stretch my arms. Now, repeat. I walk slowly to the bathroom. Now, repeat. In the bathroom, I brush my teeth carefully. Now, repeat. I use toothpaste and brush for 2 minutes. Now, repeat. Then, I wash my face with soap and water. Now, repeat. The cold water feels good on my skin. Now, repeat. After the bathroom, I choose my clothes. Now, repeat. I like to wear comfortable clothes. Now, repeat. Then, I go to the kitchen to prepare something to eat. Now, repeat. I usually eat eggs or cereal. Now, repeat. I always drink a big cup of coffee. Now, repeat. I sit at the table and eat slowly. Now, repeat. I think about my day. Now, repeat. I feel calm and ready. Now, repeat. Excellent. You're doing very well. The afternoon. Let us now move on to the afternoon. The central part of the day. Many people are busy in the afternoon. Some go to work. Some go to school. Some stay at home. Whatever you do, the afternoon is a good time to use English. Even if you are busy, you can still listen. You can still repeat. You can still practice with even just 5 or 10 minutes. Let us learn some common afternoon sentences. Try to repeat after me slowly and clearly. I eat lunch at 1 o'clock. Now, repeat. Lunch is a big meal for me. Now, repeat. After lunch, I go back to work. Now, repeat. Sometimes I feel sleepy after eating. Now, repeat. I drink water to feel awake. Now, repeat. I check my computer for emails. Now, repeat. I write emails to my colleagues. Now, repeat. I have a meeting in the afternoon. Now, repeat. The meeting is long. Now, repeat. After the meeting, I take a break. Now, repeat. I walk outside for 5 minutes. Now, repeat. The sun is bright. Now, repeat. The air is fresh. Now, repeat. I feel better after my walk. Now, repeat. I finish work at 5 o'clock. Now, repeat. I turn off my computer. Now, repeat. I tidy my desk. Now, repeat. I am done for the day. Now, repeat. Very good. Now, let us listen to a story about an afternoon. Then, we will imitate it together. My afternoon is busy. I eat at my desk. After lunch, I work on my computer. I read many emails. I write many replies. At 3 o'clock, I have a meeting. We talk about our project. After the meeting, I feel tired. I drink tea and eat a small snack. Then, I work again until 5 o'clock. At 5 o'clock, I close my computer. I stand up and put on my jacket. I say goodbye to my friends. Then, I go home. Now, let us imitate this story sentence by sentence. My afternoon is busy. Now, repeat. I eat at my desk. Now, repeat. After lunch, I work on my computer. Now, repeat. I read many emails. Now, repeat. I write many replies. Now, repeat. At 3 o'clock, I have a meeting. Now, repeat. We talk about our project. Now, repeat. After the meeting, I feel tired. Now, repeat. I drink tea and eat a small snack. Now, repeat. Then, I work again until 5 o'clock. Now, repeat. At 5 o'clock, I close my computer. Now, repeat. I stand up and put on my jacket. Now, repeat. I say goodbye to my friends. Now, repeat. Then, I go home. Now, repeat. Perfect. You are speaking in complete sentences. The evening and night. Let us now talk about the evening and the night. The evening is a special time. It is a time to relax and review the day. Let us repeat some useful sentences. I arrive home at 6 o'clock. I take off my shoes at the door. I put my bag on the chair. I sit on the sofa to rest. I feel tired but happy. I decide what to eat for dinner. Sometimes I cook simple meals. Sometimes I order food from a restaurant. I eat dinner at the table. I eat slowly and enjoy the food. After dinner, I do the dishes. I clean the kitchen. Then I have free time. I watch television. I read a book. I call my family. I talk about my day. At 10 o'clock, I get ready for bed. I brush my teeth again. I wash my face again. I put on my pajamas. I go to my bedroom. I lie down in my bed. I close my eyes. I fall asleep. My evening is calm. I come back from work. I change into comfortable clothes. Then, I cook dinner. Tonight, I make pasta. It is easy and delicious. After dinner, I watch an English show on TV. I listen carefully. I try to understand the words. At 9 o'clock, I read a book for 20 minutes. Reading helps me relax. Then I get ready for bed. I brush my teeth. I think about my day. It was a good day. I feel grateful. I go to sleep at 10:30. Now, it is your turn to imitate the evening story. My evening is calm. Now, repeat. I come back from work. Now, repeat. I change into comfortable clothes. Now, repeat. Then, I cook dinner. Now, repeat. Tonight, I make pasta. Now, repeat. It is easy and delicious. Now, repeat. After dinner, I watch an English show on TV. Now, repeat. I listen carefully. Now, repeat. I try to understand the words. Now, repeat. At 9 o'clock, I read a book for 20 minutes. Now, repeat. Reading helps me relax. Now, repeat. Then, I get ready for bed. Now, repeat. I brush my teeth. Now, repeat. I think about my day. Now, repeat. It was a good day. Now, repeat. I feel grateful. Now, repeat. I go to sleep at 10:30. Now, repeat. Excellent work today. You have listened to a complete daily routine. You have practiced new vocabulary. You have repeated complete sentences. And most importantly, you have tried to speak in English. That is real progress. You are not just studying English. You are using English. You are living in English. One sentence at a time. Keep building your confidence. Keep practicing your daily routine until it feels easy. Come back to this episode often. Listen again. Imitate again, and each time, add more to your story. This is Fluent English. I am Tom, and I am proud of your efforts. Keep listening. Keep speaking and keep believing in yourself. Goodbye for now.